Welcome to this video. Watch this video until the end. Please read the text and listen. I repeat, read and listen. Try to understand each line. Remember, listening works as input. If you listen a lot, it will help you to speak properly. Wish you a very good luck. It was winter season. I went to my village on winter vacation. I stayed there for 1 week. One night, suddenly I heard a sound, and I woke up. I heard someone was knocking on the door. It was so cold, I waited for a moment. Then I didn't hear any sounds. After a few minutes, I fell asleep again. Next night, I heard the same sound. I woke up and waited for a few minutes, but still someone was knocking. I stood up and walked down the stairs. As I walked down, the knocking on the door got faster. When I got to the door, the knocking stopped. I checked outside and I didn't find anyone there. I was shivering in the cold. I returned to my room quickly. I thought it could be the night guard, but I didn't understand what was happening. At around 3:25 a.m., I woke again and went to bathroom. When I was going back to my bed, I heard the sound of footsteps. Someone was walking outside. I thought it was the night guard. Next morning, I was looking for the guard, but one of my neighbors said, for last 2 days the night guard didn't come to his duty. I didn't tell my neighbor about the incident, but I was so worried. Whole day I thought about last night. First night I didn't take it seriously, but second night. At 3 a.m. I woke up, but there was no sound out there. I thought about what happened to me last night. I couldn't sleep at all. Suddenly, I felt I should go downstairs and check outside. I didn't know why, but I stood up and walked down the stairs. I opened the door and I saw the night guard standing. I was shocked. He spoke out before I asked anything. He told me that he was going to knock my door because he was thirsty. I brought him a glass of water. I asked him if he knocked me last night. He replied that he came last night for drinking water. Then he asked for more water. When I returned with another glass of water, he wasn't there. I wondered. Then I went to my bedroom and fell asleep. In the morning, I was terrified after hearing the news. A dead body was found by the river. It was the dead body of the night guard. He was murdered 3 days ago.